Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix reply option missing issue on Instagram. Many users have reported about this issue, thus, if you are one such user, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know the fixes for how to remove reply option missing on Instagram Android. Solution 1. Reopen Instagram app. There is a possibility that you are facing swipe reply not working or missing issue due to glitches in the Instagram app. So, once close and again open the Instagram app to check if the reply option is visible. Solution 2. Re-log in your Instagram account. Many users have found that logging out from their Instagram account and logging in back into it helps to fix reply option missing issue. So, you have to do the same thing to solve this problem. To do this, open your Instagram profile page by clicking on the profile icon. Then, make a tap on the menu icon which is located in the top right corner. From here, you need to choose the settings. Then, scroll down and hit the logout option. After some time, again open the app and relog into your Instagram account. Now check for the issue. Solution 3. Clear Instagram app cache and data. Clearing the cache and data of your Instagram app can help you to resolve certain issues like the swipe up reply not working. When you clear the cache, this deletes temporary data from your app. To do this, you have to navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications. Here you will see all apps and find the Instagram. On the apps page, choose Storage, and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. Solution 4. Link Facebook account with Instagram. If you've linked your Facebook account with Instagram, messages will be sent from your Facebook account rather than your Instagram account. To do this, open Instagram app. Go to the top right of Instagram and use the menu button. The next step is to select the settings and privacy option. Find Instagram's account settings page. Tap on Account Center from the meta menu in Settings. After this, tap on Profiles option. Then, add Facebook account. When you click that button, you'll be taken to Facebook's login page, where you can sign in using the account you'd like to share content from. Continue as your Facebook name when requested. The redirected page continues in your current form. Complete the Account Center setup. Your identity and name can be synchronized if you so want. When you click Continue, your Instagram and Facebook profiles will be linked. Solution 5. Update Instagram app. An outdated version of Instagram app can cause a problem. You should check for the latest updates when you run into trouble. In order to do so, you have to open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Updates section, find the Instagram and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. Once updated, open the Instagram app to check for the reply option missing problem. Solution 6. Reinstall Instagram app. If you find that the Instagram message swipe reply is not working, uninstalling and then reinstalling the app on your smartphone can be a quick fix. To uninstall Instagram app, find the Instagram app on your device's home screen. Long press on it, then tap Uninstall option. Now follow the steps to install Instagram app. Go to Google Play Store and type Instagram in search box. Click on Instagram and then on Install option. To proceed further, click on Accept after reviewing the app permission. Solution 7. Contact Instagram support. If nothing worked, contacting Instagram may provide you with assistance. They offer specialized channels for dealing with user questions and technical difficulties. To contact Instagram support, you have to go to the Instagram settings. Scroll down and tap on Help. Choose Report a problem, then describe the issue you're experiencing, and submit the report. So, this is all about fixing reply option missing on Instagram. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving the problem. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.